Well, two of the three people charged in connection to a Bradford County murder were scheduled to appear in court today.
And WENY's Lindsay Madison joins us in studio to tell us how it went and how the death penalty could play out for two of the co-defendants. Lindsay?
Yeah, Rhonda Parker and Terry Parker were scheduled to appear in Bradford County Court this morning. Rhonda appeared on Zoom and Terry refused to come meet on Zoom from the Bradford County Jail. According to jail authorities, Terry Parker refused because he didn't want to lose it. Both were scheduled to appear for a pre-trial conference, and the judge granted a 45-day extension for the defenses to get the appropriate paperwork in. The two are charged with criminal homicide and criminal conspiracy charges in the death of Michael Pruitt back in March. Now, it's alleged they lured Pruitt to Rhonda Parker's home on Sawyer Road in the Springfield Township, where he was shot and killed. Bradford County District Attorney Richard Wilson says he filed notice to seek the death penalty for Rhonda and Terry Parker, but it will be up to a jury to decide and ultimately the governor if that happens.
If there is a jury trial in this case, a jury will actually decide. First, they would decide guilt, whether or not the defendants are guilty, and then if they find the defendants guilty of a crime that warrants the death penalty, then that same jury will be given the task of deciding whether the appropriate punishment is life in prison or the death penalty. The current administration of the death penalty is really in the hands of our governors, and our governors recently have imposed moratoriums on the death penalty, so they aren't enacting it. It does not change the overall sentence. They are eligible for the death penalty if a governor finds it appropriate to administer that punishment.
The third co-defendant, Summer Heil, is accused of tampering with evidence and abuse of a corpse after she allegedly helped Terry dismember and burn Pruitt's remains. Summer is scheduled to appear this Thursday in court for a plea hearing. Now, if Rhonda and Terry's case does go to trial, they will appear together.